Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to show ads in a specific location in Google Ads. So for this, what you need to do is go to the start button, then you have to simply type into the Chrome, and once you're in the Chrome you have to just simply type in the Google Ads from the search bar, and once you search it Google Ads, then you have to choose the first option from here, and here you can see it has taken us to the Google Ads, and from here you can just choose the sign in or the start now button according to your preferences. And then what you need to do is simply go to this dashboard like this, and from here you have to just simply click on the campaigns, and you will see all the, if you click on the campaigns you will see all of the campaigns you are currently running. And then what you next to do is simply put a cursor in a campaign. So first say I would like to place a cursor like this, then you have to simply click on the settings icon from here, and once you click on the settings icon you will get the locations option from here. Here you can see, just simply expand the locations icon from here. And once you click on the locations option, here you can see that there are lots of locations that you are currently using, and here you have to just simply click on the enter another location, and after that you have to just simply scroll down, and here you have to click on the advanced search. And once you click on the advanced search, it will simply take you to this page, and here you can just simply enter a location that you would like to exclude or include, and then you have to just simply click on enter, and it will simply add the location to for that campaign only. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.